from the Netherlands. And so I live nearby the sea, and in the green zone where all the vegetables grows, there I'm from. Well, for my work, I am a publisher and a writer. So I'm full in the stories. So I have a really busy head from my own stories, but also from the stories from anyone else I publish. And so drawing, that's a way to silence it all. I was starting with pastel soft sticks and the pastel oil sticks. So I draw landscapes. So you see on the wall here, the landscapes. And then I see on Facebook your free course.
Right.
So I joined that one. I thought, well, I did the landscapes and that's lovely. And well, what about animals? And I love kitties, so why not? So I done that. I bought the right pencils and the right paper you recommended. And then I give it a go, and well, I love it so much. Yeah, so that was for me a go, and then I joined I jumped right in the club. And yes, it's lovely. I learned that I can draw animals. I never thought that, because trees, that's perfect, and water, okay, but
Yes.
animals, yes. So I learned that I can do that. Every time you finish something, I'm amazed. So did I do that? That's so great. I've never imagined that. I never imagined that. So yeah, that's nice. Well, the workshops, that's of course, and that's really great library of all the workshops inside. So even though you don't have time to draw at that moment, it's really fun to scroll through all the workshops and, oh, this is the next one. Oh, and that's after that. Oh, there's also a nice one. So yeah, it's really nice to scroll through all the workshops, and so now and then also watch a little bit and before you're going to draw. So that's one thing I really like. And the great difference between all the drawings. So for anyone, there's something to draw, really. And of course, the Facebook club, that's also nice. So everyone is really nice, and it's a bubble of positivity. How do you say that?
Positivity. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. So so you really, when you go there, you become happy.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You always have to smile. Oh, that's a good one, a nice job, and yeah, do it. Give it a try. Try it. You can also say, oh, well, that's nothing for me, but I don't believe that. It is something for you. I really know that.